Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and use Walmart pickup on app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. So the thing is, you can actually go ahead, open up your Walmart app in case. So for my case, my phone is in the rooted service, so you cannot access the app. I have to access the website. The one thing you could do is, in this website it's gonna look like this. So if we say we have some, we're gonna go to our grocery section, and I'm gonna go to like this, tap on the food, and I'm gonna tap on this add to cart, and I'm gonna go to our cart option. If you see over here, since we have pickup and delivery options, we can tap on it, and now we have pickup given over here. I'm gonna tap on this pickup, available for 5 of 6 items. I do have chosen them. I can tap on this checkout option, and then I can see this, I want my bags and item, pickup person. You can change it according to your need as well. Payment method, pay with card, and we will choose our card, enter the card number, and we're done. We will pay, or we have PayPal, which is the easy access. Then afterwards, mobile contact, we enter our phone number for them to contact us and send our messages. Once we're done, have a promo code. If we do, tap on it. And once are done, order is done, ready for the pickup, we can go out in our schedule time. So that is the way for you to use the pickup, Walmart pickup. And yeah, this is it guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.